Hello, my name is Shakina Eccles, and I will be presenting alongside with Twee Nguyen. We are HCD Representative 2 with CDBG Community Development Block Grant. We will be presenting National Objective and Matrix Codes. The national objective of the CDBG program is to develop viable communities through the provision of decent, affordable housing, a suitable living environment, and to expand economic opportunities, principally for the benefit of low and moderate income LMI persons, families, households, and neighborhoods. The authorizing statute of the CDBG program requires that each activity funded meet a national objective. The 2024 NOFA will only accept applications for projects or programs that benefit low and moderate income LMI persons. An activity that does not meet an LMI national objective is not compliant with CDBG requirement and will not move forward in the application process. Qualifying under LMI. Low mod area, LMA, low mod clientele, LMC, LMC micro enterprises, low mod housing, LMH, low mod jobs, LMJ.
Hello, my name is Twee Nguyen, and I will be going over the LMI qualifications. The Area Benefit Category, LMA, is the most commonly used national objective for activities that benefit a residential neighborhood where at least 51% of residents are LMI persons. Low mod income service areas must be documented through HUD published census data or HCD approved income surveys. A low mod clientele activity is one where 51% of beneficiaries are LMI persons. LMC looks at the actual number of LMI persons that benefit from the activity versus the concentration of LMI persons in the area as with LMA. The presumed benefit covers abused children, battered spouses, elderly persons, severely disabled adults, homeless persons, illiterate adults, persons living with AIDS, and migrant farm workers. Next is low mod limited clientele microenterprises, LMCMC. These are activities carried out under 24 CFR 570.201 that benefit microenterprise owners or persons developing the microenterprise who are low mod income. Examples of LMCMC activities include, but not limited to, financial assistance, technical assistance, or general services to owners and developers of microenterprises. A microenterprise is a business with 5 or fewer employees, including the owners. The activity must be designed to exclusively serve microenterprises. Eligible activities under this NOFA would be 20A or 20C on the list of matrix codes, links which you can find that on our resource page. The LMH housing category of LMI benefit national objective qualifies activities that are undertaken for the purpose of providing or improving permanent residential structures which upon completion will be occupied by LMI households. Here are some examples listed for LMH. The LMJ job creation and retention LMI benefit addresses activities designed to create or retain permanent jobs, at least 51% of which, computed on a full-time equivalent basis, will be made available to or held by LMI persons.
And now we will discuss matrix code selection. There are a full range of matrix codes. However, under this NOFA, only the following matrix codes are available. A full list of matrix code and national objectives can be found on HUD's Exchange and also on HCD CDBG website. There are a full range of matrix codes. However, under this NOFA, only the following matrix codes are available. A full list of that matrix codes and national objective will be found in the 2024 NOFA. Documenting national objectives. There are very specific record-keeping requirements associated with documenting compliance with national objectives. The table above provides a non-exhaustive list of how to document compliance and the records that need to be maintained. For resources, please see Chapter 2, National Objective, at the links provided of our CDBG Grants Management Manual and Matrix Codes. You can also follow HCD on social media at the above links: Facebook, Twitter, as well as LinkedIn. Thank you for joining us, and that will complete our presentation on national objectives and matrix codes.